All right, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about VidIQ. I've brought it up in a few of my other videos, but I really haven't taken the opportunity to talk about it and how it actually can help you and help you grow your channel. So you've seen it here at the top of my YouTube studio, but I haven't really shown you what all it can do. So let's go through it. So starting here, you have this little pop-up that you normally don't have on your YouTube studio. And if you hover over it, it gives you some information here. It kind of tells you like what percentage you are at becoming monetized. So you can see I'm at 13% of subscribers. I'm at 1% of public watch hours. And as far as YouTube Shorts, 0%. Hadn't completely made it there, even though I have 23,000 views. It lets you know in the last 60 minutes, I've had 3 total views. The last 48 hours, I've only had around 2,000 shorts views. It lets me know that most of them were shorts views. As you can see the difference there, it looks like 10 of them were for my long form videos. Over the last 7 days, you can see that I'm up 34% in views, but yet my watch time is actually down almost 20%. My subscribers, you can see how it kind of bounces back and forth. Sometimes I gain 8, 9, and then other days I only gain 1 or 2. Sometimes I even gain all the way down to 0 right there. So it gives you a few metrics there. All 3 of these actually show you the same thing. Now you can come here and it gives you your daily ideas. So you actually, if you have the free version like I do, I haven't paid for it yet. It's something I may do in the near future because it does have a lot of really good features. It allows you to get 3 free daily ideas. Let's look at a video and see what features this gives you. So we're just going to go in here, just like pretend like I'm uploading a video. This will actually look at your title and give you a score. And if you click on this, it gives you some information on how you can improve these scores. So all of this information, if you have a lower score, you won't have check marks, and it will give you kind of a tip like, say, hey, your title's way too long, and it will give you a tip there. Now, if you pay, it will give you suggestions for titles. Now, I've also noticed that if I haven't uploaded today, which I have, this will actually allow you, I think it's 3 videos to pick a title or a description. So it can actually help write your description if you need it, or your title to help give you a higher score. But you've also have this feature here to give you some tips if you're struggling and you're using the free version. So it actually walks through your thumbnail too. So it will look at your thumbnail, tells you how well you're doing there, as you can see it here. And then it also goes through your tags, which we've looked at before, and it kind of gives you some suggestions of what I could add for tags for this video. One other really neat feature that I do like is just right up here. You can see this VidIQ Preview thumbnail. If you click on that, it actually kind of brings your thumbnail in kind of a view of what YouTube kind of looks like next to others. And you can kind of look at it and you say, oh, okay, well, my viewers really can't see those words or read them. Are they truly needed there? And you can either change your thumbnail or not. Another thing that you can do is you can change your titles, and you can upload other thumbnails, and you can compare them to see what it actually looks like. And so that's kind of a really neat feature. All right. One other thing I want to show you is their website. So this that you're looking at is actually the extension for Chrome that I downloaded. So they also have a website that you can use as well. When you actually come to the website, first thing you're greeted with is your feed, or kind of like a dashboard, I guess. And it's going to look just like this. It's going to give you some of the countdowns showing you to your next milestone, showing you whenever you get to your next milestone on subscribers. And as you scroll down, like I said, you get 3 title or text-based suggestions that you can use a day. I've used all 3 of mine, but it also gives you this one here. So this is today. It's saying that if I paid for it, and you can see the pricing here, and this is the pricing as of today, which is the 6th of May 2026. You can see, you can unlock this feature and it would suggest you a title. And with one click of a button, you can actually change your title and it will automatically change it in YouTube Studio for you. So you don't have to do anything other than just scroll down your feed. Some other things it does is it looks at some of your keywords and it tries to find out what keywords are working for you right now. And like videos per hour or views per hour, sorry, gives you some of your accomplishments that you've done. And see, this is one of them here. So this is one that this was my original title, and it told me that if I use this one, it can actually help bring it up some. And I just clicked the button and it changed it automatically. Other milestones, and here's some more. I mean, here's my original title and the upgraded title. Gives you some more keywords, showing you kind of like how many views per hour that keyword is being searched for. You can actually turn your full-length videos into some shorts, so it has that feature for you. It actually makes you 10 short videos. I've actually never used this one yet, so I haven't tried it. I don't know if that's a option only for, paid or not. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of your feed, which is pretty neat. As you flip through optimization, that's all of these suggested title changes that I was telling you about. Research goes through some of the keywords and tells you like what's being looked for. So that kind of tells you, okay, well, maybe I need to use AI technology as a keyword in one of my next videos. Analytics. So this kind of tells you, based on my videos that I've posted, it says what I'm getting the best views for. So as you can see, space is working the best for my channel, followed by Tesla and robots, AI, and then other. I'm not real sure what that is. Oh, okay. So they are some AI stuff, but it's more like OpenAI, Claude. So that makes sense why those didn't perform as well. My channel is more, Tesla, Gemini, and SpaceX, NASA based. So I've kind of went a little too broad, I guess, for my viewers whenever I went there because I didn't get very many views. And then your achievements. So the achievement section actually shows you all your different milestones and lets you see the days, how many days ago it was. If you click into these, it actually kind of brings you up this really neat little achievement that you can download or share. Some of these optimizations allows you to go and view your videos, and you can basically, when you click on it, I think I have one of them I've done before. Yeah. So when you click on it, it gives you details about your video and allows you to actually make those changes that we were talking about before. So it actually reviewed my video here and, found my hooks, and it can suggest different things that I may want to change. Here's the preview like we saw earlier, seeing my video's thumbnail in a YouTube lookalike. And then your video's performance. As you can see, this video has not performed very well, but compared to my other videos, you can see where all my other long form videos have performed well. That's pretty much a quick dive into what all this VidIQ does, or what I've been able to use it for. Some more research, keywords. It even gives you keywords of stuff that may not be part of your niche. But overall, it's a really good tool. I'm actually thinking about upgrading myself. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. It helps out my channel. Thank y'all. Bye.